Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, I am going to explain how to sign up on IOU website. So to sign up on IOU website, you go to Google, whether you are using a phone or a laptop, go to Google and type in IOU, then search. When you search, it's going to bring you this page, International Open University. So you click on International Open University and it will take you to the IOU website. And from here, you can see the number of departments we have at IOU. We have the Department of Arabic Language, Business Administration, Education, Information Technology, Islamic Banking, Economics and Finance, Islamic Studies, Psychology. We also have non-degree programs, which include Quran memorization, Diploma in Islamic Studies. We have non-English speaking campus. We have the dual programs and open program and intensive Arabic program. So all of these departments, if you want to know the requirement for this department, you can contact the representative to know about the requirement for each of the programs and department. So if you want to sign up for any of the program, you click on register. When you click on register, it's going to show you where do you want to register to. Do you want to register into the degree campus, the diploma campus, or the Quran memorization center? So, but we are concerned now about the degree campus. So you click on degree campus. When you click on it, it's going to take you to the degree application form. So you have International Open University degree campus. So we are going to create a username, you create a password, and you have to ensure that the password must be at least 8 characters. And then you put in your email address, your name, you fill the details correctly, and then I'm going to do a registration now so you can see how you can fill your form accurately and correctly. So here you create a password, a username. I'm going to create a username now. And then you also create a password and ensure that the password is at least 8 characters. So you create a username, you create a password. The username can be anything you like. I'm just creating this one specifically for what I like. So you too can create your own username. If you like, you can follow this format. And if you like, you can follow any format. Just ensure that whatever username and password you create, you write them down so that you will not forget them. And then you put in your email address. Ensure that you enter the email address correctly without any mistake. So for the next one, you should repeat the email and ensure that you put it correctly and it's the same as the one above. And then you put your name, your first name, and then your last name. And then your city or town, Lagos, and then your country, select the country, of course, Nigeria, then select your gender, whether you're a female or a male, and then your date of birth. You start with the year, you pick the year, then followed by the month, and then followed by the day. So after then, nationality, we are from Nigeria, of course. So click Nigeria, and then your marital status, your occupation, you can select any of these from this list. You can pick your education, your highest qualification, whether you have less than high school, you have high school, you have associate degree, which might be diploma, you're a graduate, you're postgraduate, or postgraduate diploma or doctorate, you pick whatever it is for you. And then your mobile number, the phone number, put the phone number, 081 64 97 0193. As you can see, let me mention that all of these details with this red icon means that all those details are compulsory. So any detail without this red icon is not compulsory. That means that you may decide to leave them. So just like this, you can see the landline, the postal address, the zip or postal code, and the state. They don't have this red icon, so it means that they are not necessary, they are not compulsory. You may decide to leave them without putting anything there. Only those ones with the red icon are compulsory. So which department do you want to apply to? Are you going to Islamic studies, education, psychology, Arabic language and linguistics, Islamic banking and finance, business administration, information technology, or agricultural economics? So this particular person is going to Islamic studies. And then which program under Islamic studies? Of course, it will be Bachelor of Art in Islamic Studies. Then you pick this. So whichever department you are going to, maybe you are going to education. If you click on education, then you are going forward, Bachelor of Education, BEd degree. You click on this. And if you are going for psychology, you pick psychology, and then you pick Bachelor of Science in Psychology. As you can see, there are so many programs under the psychology, but then you have to ensure that you are picking the correct program, which is Bachelor of Science in Psychology degree. So you pick this, and if you are going for Arabic language and linguistics, then you click on this. You can see BA Arabic Language Studies, you pick it. And if you are going any of the program, any of them you are going for, whether Islamic banking and finance, business administration, information technology, you have to ensure that you are picking the correct program. You can see here, Bachelor of Science in IT degree, so BST IT. So back to where we are coming from, Islamic studies, and then you pick on Bachelor of Arts in Islamic Studies, and then you move down. So other information, where did you hear about us? What did you hear about IOU? If you wish, you can go for the IOU representative. So if you click on IOU representative, it's going to ask you, please select one of the following, like through which of the following people do you hear about IOU? So I'm registering this from the IOU Data Center, and the representative at the IOU Data Center is Adeto Opeyemi Murutala. So I click on this, and then you move down, and then you have to, it's asking for promo code. As I mentioned, any of this detail without any right icon is not compulsory, so you can as well leave this promo code without filling anything, and then you have to agree to the policy of the website. So you click on agree. So before you submit your form, you have to ensure that you go through the details again, your username and your password. Do ensure you write them down, and you don't forget them. Check your email very well and ensure that there is not any mistake in them, because when there is mistake with your email, you will not be able to have a successful registration. Then check your name, check the spelling, and ensure that you have put in your name correctly. And also check your gender, your date of birth, your nationality, check everything correctly. Ensure you have checked your the department you apply into, check your phone number, the department and the program. You have ensured that you pick the right program. So once you are sure of all the details you put in, then you click on create my new account. So it says, Jazakumullah khair for registering with the IOU. An account confirmation email with further instruction has been sent to your address, mofaisal@gmail.com. So the next thing for you to do after this is to go to your email, and you will see a message from IOU in your email. The message in your email, the message sent by IOU will either enter into your inbox or into the spam of your email. So right now we are going to the email to confirm the link. So to confirm the link, then so I mentioned that the message will be sent to your inbox or to your spam. So if you don't see the message in the inbox, so definitely it will be in the spam. So you just look for spam. Look for spam. If you click on this, you can see spam. You can look for spam. You see spam. Then you get a message from IOU support. So we click on this link, and then if you click on this message, you read it carefully, and then you can finish the next step toward enrollment in IOU is to confirm your account registration, which can be done by clicking here or copying and pasting the link below. So you can either click here or you click on this link to confirm your account. So once you click on this link, it's going to tell you, thanks, with your name, you have successfully completed your registration at International Open University. And then if you look at the top edge of the website, if you do your registration with laptop, you are going to see the program you apply for, BA Islamic Studies degree. You will see your name, and also you see your student ID. And if you complete your registration with a phone, at the bottom of the website also, you are going to see your name and your student ID. And with this, you have successfully completed your registration. If you have any problem, you can always contact the representative. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.